Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video we will see how to install Angular CLI step by step. First, we will install NodeJs by visiting nodejs.org. We will keep other setting as it is. Once the Node.js is installed, we will verify the version by using the command node-v. Next, we will install TypeScript by using this command. We will verify the TypeScript version as well. Finally, we will install Angular CLI. Make sure to use -g to install it globally. We will check the version of Angular by using ng version command. See Angular CLI version 7, Node 20, Package Manager npm 10.2.3. We will create our first Angular project by using command ng-new and then project name. Now our project has been created and it is installing our npm packages. Let's run our Angular project. I will use command prompt instead of PowerShell. ng-serve, and see our project is building. Let's wait. Click on the link or you can directly open it in browser and see. And our project is running. Our first Angular project is running. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.